forever flows. Happy birthday, my love, my heart's desire. You're the spark that sets my soul on fire. With every kiss, with every hug, I celebrate you, my saving grace. Through all the highs and all the lows, our love like a river forever flows.
Life can bring, I've always needed something, but I've got all I want when it comes to loving you. You're my only reason, you're my only truth. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's sky. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you. You're the hope that moves me to courage again. Oh yeah. You're the love that rescues me when the cold winter rage. And it's so amazing, 'cause that's just how you are. And I can't turn back now, 'cause you brought me too far. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's sky. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you. Oh, yes, I do. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's sky. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you. Oh, yes, I do. I need you. I need you.
Hello, Rish! Happy birthday! Una sa lahat, thank you sa friendship. Although, magkaiba yung age natin. Especially, napakalaki. Napakalaki ng age gap. Pero, still, nasasabayan mo yung trip namin. Ako, si Team. Ayan. Thank you so much sa pagiging totoo. Yung tipong lahat pwede namin masabi sa'yo nang walang halong panja-judge. Na ilalabas namin kung ano kami. Ang hindi ka nagagalit. Although, oo, bully talaga kaming dalawa. Pero, Alam mo naman na love ka namin kahit na ganito kami sa'yo. Sobra. Love na love ka namin. At ikaw yung aming forever young na beshi. Ayan. Happy 41st birthday, Rish. Sana ay mas tumagal pa yung friendship natin. At saka yung problema, tawanan mo lang yan. Alam mo naman, hindi naman mawawala sa buhay ng tao yan. So, laban lang. Laban lang para sa family. Once again, happy first birthday, Rish. I love you.
Happy birthday. More blessings to come, more birthdays to come. Enjoy mo yung araw mo ngayon. Stay healthy. Stay as you are. Sana wag kang magbabago. Salamat sa pagiging sisi. Hindi man tayo madalas magkita or hindi man tayo madalas magkasama sa VR, pero alam mo at alam ko, ramdam ko yung pagiging ate or sisi ko sa'yo, or ikaw. Magulo, diba? Bahala ka na itong umintindi, kakaloka. Basta, happy birthday. I love you, sisi. Enjoy your day.
At sa lahat, happy birthday nga pala sa Sisi, Missy ko, love Sisi. At sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa iyo at mag-iingat ka palagi, lalo na sa trabaho mo, Sisi. Pag kailangan mo ng kausap, Sisi, andito lang ako. Alam mo naman, andito lang si Sisi Sabi. Malaman ko sa Sisi. Happy birthday. I love you, Sisi.
Happy birthday nga pala sa iyo, mates, and ingat ka palagi sa work mo, and enjoy mo lang yung time mo sa pag-celebrate ng birthday mo. Dito lang kami ng Sisi and Tatid Mike mo na sumusupport sa iyo. Love mates, happy birthday sa iyo.
Happy birthday po sa Miss Iris. Ayos na more birthday, tsaka meet you.
Ayun, happy birthday sa Iris. More birthday to come. Enjoy mo yung birthday mo ngayon. Oo, huwag kang magpapaka-stress sa mga taong nagbibigay ng mga stress sa'yo. Maging positive ka lang. Tulad ng sabi ko sa'yo, na kung may mga problema, ganyan, tawanan